Hello, in today's lesson, we will talk about gaining spatial skills related to geometry and arithmetic with the help of robots in primary school mathematics lessons. Maybe starting with some questions can help us figure out what comes to mind when we think of spatial skills. So let's get started. Can you rotate an object in your mind's eye? Figure out what it would look like if it were tilted 90 degrees, 60 degrees, or 180 degrees. Is it easy for you to use a map? Or, can you translate the scale of the map to objects in the real world? Gilligan states in a study conducted in 2020 that these spatial abilities called mental rotation and spatial scaling help children reason about shapes, angles, and distances. In this way, children can think more clearly and accurately and solve mathematical problems easier. Robotics applications can foster children's active and physical explorations. And they also improve their spatial skills in a fun way. Let's watch an example learning activity. It is about teaching primary school students to orient themselves in space using geometry and arithmetic through robotics involvement.
Good morning, everybody. Today, we will talk about an important concept to help you orient yourself in space using geometry and arithmetic. Does everyone know the difference between left and right?
Yes. Sure. Of course.
Look, I brought you colored cards. Now each of you will receive a red and a green card.
How nice. Green is my favorite color.
Now you have to take the scissors and make paper bracelets. Be careful not to hurt yourselves.
Do we have to make them the same color?
Hey, I want red ones.
No, y'all. You have to make one red and one green.
Okay. Let's make our bracelets.
They look great.
Perfect, very good. Now, put on the green bracelet on the right wrist, and the red one on the left, and then line up in front of the desk.
Whoopee-de-doo. Let's start.
When I say the color corresponding to the bracelet, you will have to raise your hand with the bracelet of that color. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Let's start. Red. Green, green, red, yellow.
There is no yellow.
I wanted to see if you were paying attention. All good. Now, we will do the same exercise with right and left. Right, left, left, right, left.
You can also do this learning activity by lining up students in pairs and having them stand facing each other, just as our gym bunnies. In this way, when students, standing facing each other, raise their right hand, they will see that the students in the opposite row raise their hands, that are not on the same side as them. The reason for this is the direction of the students.
Let's continue our lesson. Would you like to play another game?
Yes. Gladly.
Very well. Then let's take a robot with wheels and create a geometric path. Very well. Now, try to program the robot to make a square.
The square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Then the robot should go forward 4 times and turn right 4 times too. Now the software is, go forward, turn right at a right angle, go forward, turn right at a right angle, go forward, turn right at a right angle, go forward, turn right at a right angle.
Okay. Now let it start and let's see if it works. Well done, guys. We have understood how to orientate a robot in space, bearing in mind that we had to impersonate it. In fact, During its rotations, the robot moved to the left with respect to us, but to the right with respect to its reference system. It is also important to take arithmetic into account, as your programming should have been done by multiplying the first two commands by 4.
In the classroom, we will learn how to teach estimating a distance, how to teach estimating a quantity, how to teach estimating time, and we will use some teaching methods during the class time such as discussion, lecture, question answer, brainstorming, and collaborative learning. That's all for now. Goodbye. For more information, you can visit our project website www.mindmaths.org and reach various topics regarding the use of robotics in primary school mathematics lessons.